A quick and easy dinner. Some white rice, basmati rice, cooking in some broth, and do a quick herring fillet, sauteed herring fillet. It's the Brunswick herring fillet. I just love these. These are a quick breakfast, they're a quick lunch, they're a quick dinner, they're quick everything. So this is a 30-minute, less than 30-minute meal. I'll do 2 packets of that. I've cut up some red bell peppers, tomato, onions, garlic, and I have some lemon and lime here, and a little bit of butter. And we're going to saute the herring fillets in. Once that's done, and it's nice and caramelized, then we'll just have dinner with the rice. Can I tell you? It's as easy as that. And I just started this maybe 5 minutes ago. So I put the rice on, the rice is boiling, and cut up my my veggies, and I just opened the 2 cans. I'll just open 2 cans, put them in the skillet, and let that go. So let's continue. Sorry about the noise. Sorry about the noise. Okay, here we go. Skillet, fry pan, whatever you have available. Put that on there. Get the heat on. I let that dry out and then get my butter and some oil in there. Okay? Then we'll proceed. I just took my rice off. How are you going to throw these veggies in here? The garlic, the tomato, onion. And let these saute for at least a minute or so that they can get soft. Okay? Add a little bit of salt to it. A little bit of teaspoon, half a teaspoon or a pinch, maybe a pinch of salt, just to let it draw the liquid out there, out of the tomatoes and the onions. So let that cook for a little bit. Some complete seasoning, never hurts. I have my rice here. We're going to let this tomato, this mirepoix, as I usually call it, but doesn't have any carrots in there. But, that's my go-to sofrito kind of thing. Let that go for a little bit while I open my cans of fillets. Okay. We'll be back once we're adding the fillets. Let's get some fillets in here. Oops. Get your heat down to medium. If you want it to caramelize, you don't want it to burn. You get the heat down to medium, really low, a little below medium. Okay, so we're gonna let this go for a couple of minutes. Let it all marry into each other. Test for salt. It's herring, so might not need much of a salt thing here, but just maybe a little of my bullion powder will make a difference. Okay, so we'll be back with some bullion powder and the lemon and lime juice. All right, so I've added a few pieces of hot peppers in here, and I also added a little bit of the rice water, the water that I cook the rice in with the little with the Knorr seasoning. I'm gonna put that in there, a little bit of, and lime juice, a little bit of lime juice in there, and we should be good. A bit of lime juice with the hot peppers, and we let it caramelize for another maybe minute or two, and we'll be good to go. We have dinner. Dinner will be served.